So it has been 2 months since I shifted to Bangalore for work, and that is exactly what I have been doing. I've been really busy with the trainings and client work, so I didn't get any time to shoot the videos, but now I'll try to post more regularly. Now the second thing which I want to talk about is my convocation, and it is supposed to take place this Friday on 29 July. The third update is that I have got a package from my employer that I'm going to unbox now.
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है समझ गया ठीक है
So I'll close this video here and I'll see you guys in the next one.